Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up random word generator action automation for workflows within your agency. Start executing actions directly from your workflow. So let's get started. Inside your agency, you go at the app marketplace to search for the app. So we type random word. There you go. We click on it. We go at install. We select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed in. Continue. Allow and install. We automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link. So we copy, we make sure it's copied, and we switch back to the agency in order to create the custom menu link. Back in the agency, we go at the settings and then custom menu links, create new. We're gonna fill this form and we start by selecting an icon for our custom menu link. We have different icons here, and then we type a name for our custom menu link. Here we paste the custom menu link URL that we copied. Scroll down, we select an account where we want all our tools to be. And finally, we grant access for a particular user or for all the users. When we're done, we make sure we save. The next step is to switch to the sub account in order to connect the tool. So let's do it right away. Inside the sub account, we go and look for the custom menu link. We decided to name our custom menu link Greg app. So if you guys named your custom menu link my tools, make sure you have my tools here. We go on Greg apps. We have apps available and connected apps. So let's search for random here. How do we set it up? We just have to go at setup, and the only credential required in order to connect the tool is to provide the email address. Let's type our email address. There you go, and we submit. Bingo. Now the tool is already connected and we can start executing actions directly from the workflow. So guys, if you are ever having a question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated support team who is also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you did enjoy this video at some point, give a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to click our subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.